Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2012, question number 14. Given the basic ER and relational model, which of the following is incorrect? And 4 options are given. Let's check one by one option. Option A, an attribute of an entity can have more than one value. Yes, this is true. In case of multi-valued attribute, there can be more than one value. Next option B, an attribute of an entity can be composite. Yes, there can be composite attribute. For example, name, there can be first name, middle name, last name. So option B is true. Next option C, in a row of relational table, an attribute can have more than one value. This is false. In a row, there cannot be more than one value. For each attribute, there should be one value or it can be null. So option C is false. In a relational table, an attribute cannot have more than one value. Next option D, in a row of relational table, an attribute can have exactly one value or null value. Yes, this is true. There can be exactly one value or null value. So we found option A is true, option B is true, option C is false, option D is true. And it is asking which of the following is incorrect. Hence answer will be option C. In a row of relational table, an attribute can have more than one value. This is false. It cannot have more than one value. There can be exactly one value or null value. I already discussed attributes during lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.